of walking and other things. Speaking of walking, use your up and down arrow keys to walk. If you're in a hurry, hold the shift key while you walk and you can run. Use your left and right arrow keys to look left and right. And try the scroll mouse to see how close you can look and how far behind your head you can see. You can also click your mouse anywhere and you will move to that very spot. Use your keyboard's F key as a toggle to fly or to stop flying. Flying high or low, you can use your up and down page keys. There are often teleports that can take you someplace fast. These are put in by the creators of larger regions. They vary by location and size per region. Sitting is easy. Click the Activate symbol above the chair and use the Stand Up button at the bottom of your screen to stand up. You'll notice when something is clickable, when you mouse over it, you usually see the cursor become a click hand. The Stand Up button area is often used for additional controls, so keep an eye on that area for helpful buttons. Some regions have streaming music, such as DJ regions, or provide live voice support. To hear your favorite DJ, make sure the music box is checked and your sound and preferences are turned up. To use voice over IP, if the region creator has provided it, you have to turn on your voice symbol and turn up the voice capabilities in your preferences. Both of these require that you have sound enabled on your computer as well. To travel to other regions, use the Explore tab at the bottom left of your viewer and type in the region name at the top. The Get That Look and Friending quest may also help you and your friends learn how to get a great look and stay in touch. While there are many other features, this is enough to get you going comfortably. Try it and enjoy.